never teach yourself nothing. Everything where you teach, where you know Babylon teach you. We possess of good and evil. No man don't want to accept what I say. The evil spirit now going to tell you if you do nothing good. And the good spirit now going to tell you if you do nothing evil. It's a balance, it's a life, but you have to know that. You see me? Yeah, man, but do the right thing.
Real talk, Shambo.
As I said before, do what is
Real
meaningful.
talk.
And what is uplifting. You understand me? I say make a positive mark at all costs, you see me? Self-taught is one of the greatest things. You never teach yourself nothing. Everything.
Manifest the activity of the thinking in case you never know. So you create your physical experiences through the way you think and the way you feel. Through emotion or intuition or invocation. And always remember, anything at all where you send out there in the atmosphere, it's coming right back at you. So always have a positive thought, positive thinking. Think about the good. You understand what I say? Anything where you ask
Street
you will
youth,
get it.
beat you, beat them like a beetroot.
Everything is within time. Your time is your time. My time is my time. Your shine is your shine. Your shine could be my shine. My shine could be your shine.
Natural.
But we are all shining.
Please like the video. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the Street Youth.
The wicked man will love to fall, but all the righteous man will love to stand tall.
And the wrong man name them go call. And now they back against the wall, them fall.
I said the wicked.
Yo, Street Youth TV, yo, the Youth TV. Tuna represent, see, yeah, that's it, last and passing. Modern vampires of the city, until blood.